Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hoppin' To It with Bill Jr. Today, I'm really geeked because we're talking about a new promotion or really just a new program that we started here at Kangaroo, and it's really testament to you, our awesome clients and friends and family and followers out there. And that is our referral bonus system, which is really simply for any of you great folks out there who have had work done for us or know us and know the quality of the work that we do, when you refer somebody to Kangaroo, we want to say thank you for that. And I know you've done a great job of it in the past, and we do a ton of referral work, thanks to all of you out there. But now we have a formal way to actually identify you and thank you for that. We actually just launched it this quarter, so you'll be noticing it when you receive your newsletter in the mail. If you saw the electronic newsletter, it was also in there, and it's now highlighted right in our website. And the referral marketing or the referral thank you program really boils down to this. When you submit a name to us, whether it's via the phone or online, we're going to give you a thank you. If we're able to book that appointment, whether it's for a repair, whether it's a replacement, whether it's commercial, residential, heck, if we get to book the appointment, we're sending you a $10 Starbucks thank you gift card. Just as simple as that. It's just for us to have the opportunity to go and meet with somebody and understand their problems, do a full and thorough investigation, and come up with the right solutions for them that's going to provide them the long-term protections and answers that they're looking for. Now, the really exciting part for me, at least, is if we actually are able to help them with a full replacement, whether it's with their siding or their roofing or their gutters, we're actually going to send you, the person who referred that client to us, we're going to send you a $200 Visa gift card. Just simple as that. Thank you so much. We're going to put a little cash in your hands. It's the best way we could think of just to say thank you for passing and spreading the great word about Kangaroo. Now, so far it's all been about you, which is good. You're really important to us. You are the one who's helped get us to this point. But we're also going to do some cool things for the client or the prospective client that you refer to us. So when you refer that name, let's say it's a really good friend of yours, and in the springtime they developed a leak, and you said, "Don't worry about it. I know the right roofer. You got to go see. I'm gonna set you up. I know Bill Jr. I know Joshua. I know Mason. I'm gonna get those guys out there for you." Well, that's really great, and obviously you'll get your gift card and the $200 Visa gift card if ultimately they sign up for a replacement. But the person you refer is also going to get some incentives too. So if we go out there for a repair, they're automatically getting a $25 Kangaroo gift card that they can use on that same day appointment when we come out there. So let's say they had a level 2 repair and it's a $373. $25 just came off just like that. They don't even have to be in the OCC. It's just a thank you to them. And for any of our repair or our replacement services, we're going to give them a $150 Kangaroo gift card just like that. So, and same thing, they're going to be able to use those, whether it's on gutters, gutter guards, shingles, siding, you name it, insulation. They're going to be able to use it same day, and the sales representative or the roofing specialist that comes out to meet with them, they're going to know it ahead of time. They're going to hand deliver it right when they get there. So we're really geeked about it. For us, it's a win-win. When you help us spread the word and tell other folks that you know about all the great things happening here, well, we want to pass that on to you, and we want to pass that on to them, because those really are our best clients. So to review, it's a brand new system here that we just put into place this quarter. We're really geeked about it. The simple fact of the matter is, whenever you refer somebody to Kangaroo, you're right away, as the person referring us, going to get a $10 gift card if we book the appointment. You're going to then get a $200 gift card if we actually are able to provide them with a replacement solution. And the person that you refer to us is going to get either a $25 or $150 gift card for whatever services that we need to provide for them. It's really a win-win-win all the way around. So get out there, anyone you know, put the names through. We can't wait to get out there and meet them and help them. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any questions about this new program, please feel free to call in 586-566-0308. You can always follow us and message us on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or any of the other great mediums. We look forward to coming out to your home and hopping to it for you. Take care. Have a great day.